Hudson, what we're doing here is this is on the Apple Vision Pro, what Daddy's learning about. So this right here is a fishy, right? He wants to go down a slide, and we're going to make him a slide in VR and AR. So this one is VR because it's total virtual reality. Nothing here is real. You're not interacting with this space because we're not actually in this space. But it will integrate with your own space, so you'll see it actually next to our Christmas tree. There's the first part of the ramp. Then let's give a slide, a spiral, and then the finish line. Okay? So now if we look right here, look at that. Isn't that cool? So now watch. Fishy. You ready to go? You think the fishy's ready to go? All right, you hit the button. Press this button here on the trackpad, and he's gonna go party. There we go. Watch. Fishy's going. Here you go. Watch. Yeah, so watch, we can do a really high one, and then we can also go different ways. So watch, we take this, and let's have him do it here. Go back, and hit start ride. Now you can see the entire thing from a different angle. And if we were in this room, we would then be able to walk over to it and see it. Ready, here it comes. Woo! Isn't that cool? So now we can take this and modify it, make some other cool way of him going down. So let's hit back. And then let's tap on this piece and delete it. Now we're going to tap on this piece, and we're going to, you know what, let's just delete all of it right here. Delete, throw it in the trash. And let's throw this in the trash. And let's take him and put him all the way up over here. Okay? And let's turn it to wood. It's different types of material, so it looks different. Or actually, we could do your favorite color, red.
I got red.
You love red?
Blue.
Yeah, mine's black and blue. I like both colors. Even though people say black is not a color, blah blah blah. So let's see if we take this here. Left turn, and then we go slide, spiral, slide, finish line. I'll show you. Look at that. You think he's ready for this? All right, hit the trackpad. Press play. Yep, push. Here we go. Here he comes. There's the water.
Yay!
Isn't that cool? Yeah. Yeah. Really high. I know, we should make one that goes really, really, really high and we just follow them down. Isn't that cool? So that's the Vision Pro. And this is one of the example apps we give to test out kind of its capabilities. There's other ones as well, different types of apps that you simulate if you don't have access to the Vision Pro right now. So then I'm working on one over here. Yep. I'm working on one over here in a little box, building a puzzle actually, and it's like a little mini game to learn a little bit more about it and actually have a lot of fun. So yeah, I designed this box in Shaper 3D. So I'm going to, yeah, that one, that blue box. So I'm going to see if I can make something fun with this, just because I'm having fun with my son, and I think this is really fascinating to be able to enable people build and create whatever they